B is for bear with Hopi. Hopi is ready for a big adventure. Today, she is looking for things that start with the letter B. Look at that giant, bright, bouncy bee. Can you say bee? Who is hiding behind the trees? It is a big, friendly bear. Hello, says Barnaby the bear. Would you like to find bee words with me? Hopi claps her hands with joy. Barnaby the bear is very hungry. He finds a bunch of bright yellow bananas. B is for bananas, Barnaby says. They look so sweet and yummy. Look, Hopi. Something is rolling through the grass. It is a big, blue, bouncy ball. Hopi runs as fast as she can to catch it. B is for ball. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Barnaby points to the sky. Busy bees are flying around the flowers. They are fuzzy and yellow. B is for bees. What are those beautiful colors in the air? Hopi watches the butterflies flutter by. They have spots and stripes. B is for butterflies. Barnaby leads the way to a big, red building. It is a barn. It has a giant door and smells like hay. B is for barn. High up on the barn roof, a small bluebird is singing a song. Hopi whistles back at her new friend. B is for bird. It is time for a party. Hopi and Barnaby put on bright, blue bows. They look so fancy for their bee adventure. B is for bow. The sun is going down and the moon is beginning to beam. Hopi and Barnaby are ready for bed. They are the best of friends. B is for bedtime. B is for bear with Hopi. Subscribe Hopi and Friends.